Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friend and student, welcome to MR Circle. I am Rehman and I am here to teach you financial management. Today we are going to discuss a system by which the whole firm, the whole business, the whole economy is operate, which is financial system. In this lecture, we will explain the financial system, the role and the function of financial system and the component and the structure of financial system. So let's start the lecture. Financial system. First of all, we need to know about the system. That what is system? System is basically a set of principle or procedure according to which we do some things, or according to which we can perform, we can achieve our goal. Or we can say in other words that a system is an organized method for doing something, for doing some works. Now, financial system. Financial means money or funds. So, financial system is actually a network of financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments that facilitate the transfer and allocation of funds, bonds, stocks, monies to one parties to another parties. Or we can say that it is the framework for describing the financial institution, the financial markets, the financial instrument. So, financial system is a network of financial institution, financial market, financial instrument that facilitate the transfer and allocation of funds, money, bonds, etc. The function and the roles of financial system is many, but we will discuss some primary function, primary role of financial system, which is the role and the function of financial system is help and development the economy. The economy of a country is mostly depend on the financial system of a country, because in every place there are two types of people. The one is surplus of funds and the other is in deficit of funds. So financial system is actually the flow of the fund between these two parties, the surplus of a person or the deficit of a country. So the economy of a country depends on the circulation of a fund, and financial system is actually the circulation of a fund. When you utilize the circulation of fund is in proper way, then the economy of a country will be increased. It depends on the financial system. The next role and function of financial system is providing financial services. Financial services mean like purchasing bonds, purchasing debentures, saving money in banks, getting loans from banks. These all activity is done by financial system. The next function is enable the lender and borrower to exchange the funds. It means that it makes possible two parties, one is saver or lender and the other is borrower, to exchange their funds, to exchange their stocks, to exchange their bonds, to exchange their financial resources with each other. The financial system help in creating wealth by saving with investment. It means that a person have saving fund, have saving monies, they invest it and get return on it, by which they increase their wealth. When the wealth of a owner, the wealth of shareholder is increased, the wealth of a country, the wealth of economy is automatically increased. So financial system also help in creating wealth of owner, of shareholder of a country. The financial system help in financial deepening. Deepening means that it increase the financial asset. It increase the financial asset. When you utilize the financial funds, the financial resources, the bonds in effective and efficient way, then the financial asset, the financial capitals, the capital formation is increased. Financial system help in all these financial asset, all these financial firms to utilize it in effective and efficient way to locate, to transfer the money from one party to another party, from surplus to deficit party. These are some of the functions of financial system. Now let's come towards the structure or the component of a financial system. That what are the component, what are the element, what are the structure of financial system. The structure or the element or the component of financial system is three component of financial system. The financial system is actually itself the component, the element, the sub-element of a financial economics. It is the element, the component of financial economics. But the component of the element of financial system is financial institution, financial markets, and financial instrument. The financial institution is further divided into two types, into two different elements, different components. One is banking institution, the other is non-banking institution. Or we can say that depositing institution or non-depositing institution. The financial market, it is the second component of financial system, second element of financial system, which is further divided into different types like money market, capital market, primary market, secondary market. These all are the types, these all are the component of financial market. The third element, the third component of financial system is financial instrument, which is include bonds, stocks, debentures, securities. These all are actually the financial instrument of a financial system. This is the definition, just the explanation of financial system, that what is the financial system, what is the function of financial system, what is the component of financial system in a country. For different countries, they have different financial system according to their companies. Like financial system for India is different, financial system for Pakistan a little bit different. Every country have different financial system for their country, and it is play a very vital, very important role in the economy of every country, because the economy of every country depends upon the financial system of their company. So this is just the short lecture about the financial system. Inshallah, in coming lecture we will explain it with full explanation, with full detail, with full example, with full problem, with full examples. The financial institution and the financial markets, the financial instrument, these all will be explained in coming lecture with full explanation, with full detail. This is just the definition, just the short lecture about the financial system, that what is the financial system. So this is all about today lecture. If you have any question regarding today lecture, ask in a comment section. Inshallah, I will try to give you answer to clear your question in next video. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, like and share it with your friend if you like the videos, and make education easy for the people. So take care of yourself and stay with us. Wassalam, Pakistan Zindabad.